Picture this. Potential customer searches for your service, finds your website, spends 30 seconds looking around, and then calls your competitor instead. This is probably happening right now, and the frustrating part is you might never even know it occurred. But what is it about those 30 seconds that determines whether they call you or your competitor? What silent judgments are they making? And what if I told you it comes down to just 3 critical factors? I'm Matt from Web Design by Matt, and 5 years ago, I was actually running a painting and decorating business. But I was facing a problem, and I was asking myself, how do I persuade customers to choose me over the more established competitors? Once I figured out what customers were really looking for and how to communicate it effectively, I developed a system that honestly transformed my business. Rather than me going out to find customers, customers came to find me. I had more work than I could handle, and more importantly, I could charge a premium price. Today, I help other service business owners achieve the same thing in their business. Here's the key fact I discovered. Your website isn't just your digital business card. It's actually your most important sales tool, working 24 hours a day to win customers over. The way people find and buy services has changed. Whereas before, they might have asked a family member or a friend, now they take to Google and do a search. They compare multiple options and want detailed information before they make a decision to move forward and contact a provider. Think about it. When was the last time you booked a holiday without checking hotel reviews on TripAdvisor first? Your customers are doing the same thing when they look for your services. This shift in customer behaviour has created 3 critical factors that determine whether visitors choose you or your competitors. I call these the 3 decision killers, and they're costing businesses customers every single day. The first one I call the trust gap. Now, we've all heard the horror stories. Service providers who don't deliver, who overcharge, or just provide poor service. Your potential customers are naturally apprehensive because of these experiences. Within seconds of landing on your website, they're making a judgment about whether you're professional, reliable, and worth their time. Second is what I call the clarity problem. Your visitors are comparing multiple options and can't quickly understand what makes you different from all the other businesses they've looked at today. They don't know your process or your guarantees, or why they should choose you over a competitor. And the third is what I call the action barrier. So even when people want to hire you, your website introduces friction and makes it difficult. Maybe the contact form is buried, or there's just no clear next step. And you're not addressing the questions that stops them from picking up the phone to get in contact with you. When your lead generation is unpredictable because of these decision killers, it's difficult to plan ahead, hire confidently, or invest in growing your business. You can't do those things if you're just constantly wondering where your next customer will come from. And your most important business asset, your website, is actually working against you instead of for you. The solution starts with understanding exactly what your customers need to choose you. As a former tradesman, I know exactly what matters to service business customers. They want confidence that you will deliver quality results, treat them fairly, and make the process as smooth as possible. The question is, how do you consistently attract these ideal customers? Every service business faces the same core problem. How do you get that steady, predictable flow of high quality customers? That's exactly what I solved when I developed my service business blueprint for my painting business. So, How do I implement my system into your business? Well, it works in 5 phases. First, I conduct customer research to identify exactly what your ideal customers need to see to choose you over your competitors. Second, I build a strategic foundation, creating a roadmap for the customer journey from first website visit to making a booking. Third is trust building development, where I create pages that address every concern and showcase your expertise. Fourth, I focus on local market dominance, optimizing everything so you appear when customers search for your services online. And fifth is performance and growth, which is ongoing optimization so your website keeps performing as your business evolves. And this 5th phase is critical because website launch day is really just the beginning. That's why I don't just build and disappear. This becomes an ongoing partnership where your digital presence adapts and improves continuously. Whether it's new services, seasonal offers, or just changing market conditions, I handle it all. Think of it as having a marketing partner in your back pocket when you need it, with periodic strategic calls so you're never left in the dark on your own. This approach means I deliberately limit my client roster to deliver exceptional results rather than spread myself thin. So, if you're ready to stop losing customers to competitors and to build your digital footprint, let's have a conversation. I offer a free 30-minute consultation where I'll review your current situation, identify any specific problems costing you customers, and I'll explain exactly how my service business blueprint would work for your business. It's a genuine, no strings attached conversation where you'll walk away with insights, regardless of whether we go on to work together or not. To get started, just click the book a consultation button anywhere on my site, answer a few questions, and I'll get back to you within a business day. Consultation spots are limited because I personally handle each one, so don't sleep on it. And if you made it this far in the video, scroll down to the bottom of the page, enter your email address, and get my guide emailed to you. There's loads of value up front for free to help you out.